I don't think.
Say hi. Yeah, well, how do you know that?
I heard it in my ears just go full of
Yeah. My girl. Walking love, my girl. My girl.
There's one scene there before Emma says. Sausage. Why do you have sausage?
Okay, ma'am. Yung ma'am is MA. Tapos, please update me once you get to that.
Hindi naman mabigyan ng justice sa telepono.
Iba to ni. Isa. Umikot tayo dito. Lambo.
Lambo. Ano lang yan? Just a typical. Ay, pati yung security nakaganon din.
Why? It's not soon.
No, ibang hotel to.
Where's breakfast?
Huh?
Where's breakfast?
It's there as well.
Alam na kanina talagang anak kapag pagdating sa pagkain na.
At saka talagang masarap kasi yung breakfast. Kabila.
Ano ba? Dito na ba tayo?
Like a Squid Game.
Yeah. It's so
Last year we went
nice.
there, the mall, Dubai Mall.
Yeah, just close here, yeah?
What do you need? My cooking? Transport?
499 to 12.
Huh?
394.
Dito tayo sa hotel. Dito hindi makaget over sa ate Lala doon sa scarf mo.
Hindi pa rin makakatulog.
Hindi, natatawa naman siya.
Sabihin mo sa kanya, pag kung gusto niya yun, bibigay ko sa kanya kapag yung skirt.
Wow!
Wow.
Grabe naman to. Wow.
Mine that will be visible like you can pretend you're not here. I'll be visible, alright?
Ewan ko sa'yo, Caleb.
Because I'm so what's hard edge?
Wow. Mas tapat natin yung ano,
Alin?
yung fountain.
Yung fountain?
Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe.
Please like and subscribe.
I can upload that.
Wow!
May fountain dyan.
Wow! What a view!
Ayan ay Burj Khalifa.
Oh, what?
Yeah.
Ah!
I used to walk
Ay!
there last year.
Wow! Caleb!
Fancy fountain
See, you're in the fancy restaurant.
Right?
Restaurant?
Ay, restaurant.
Hotel. Wow!
Kaya pag yung nag-New Year, ito ang mahal talaga. Kasi yung view ng Burj.
Baka dito sila Alex
Wow!
Gonzaga nun
Ang tindi. Hindi nga tito eh. Hindi nga si...
Pero pwede kayo na mag-stay na lang sa hotel.
Oh, pwede pala magluto. Oh, may coffee machine pa. Maglalaba pa. Washroom.
There's a spray everywhere.
Ano to? Walk-in closet ba to?
Walking tapos banyo.
Wow.
It's so fancy.
Pwede na to ah.
Malaki kagandahan dito sa hotel namin. Wow. Tama naman. Yung pag-dry ng hair mo.
Ba, kung hindi... Kunin mo siya.
Okay.
Sakto-sakto yung gold mo
Tapos
dyan.
medyas.
Wow. Napaka-importante yung remote naman nito. Wow.
Grabe. Dapat mag-spend ka dito din na.
Okay? Look what I found in Dubai. Look at
Dragon.
Chinese New Year.
Mm-hmm.
Okay? Okay, look, sorry. It's a glass. Look, Asha.
Mm.
Look, Asha. Okay? Look, Asha.
Dito, parang si Manny Pacquiao. Oh.
Maliit lang ang TV nila. Naisip ko naman ang ganito. Di ba kung yung mga kailangan ko sa shampoo, conditioner, pinatawag.
Very cold.
Wow! Sige, picture. Picture tayo this.
You didn't see it. Look at those people. Look, watch
Oo
it.
nga, oo
Look at the
nga.
left. See that? Look.
Yung anak ko.
Ikaw na, masyado namang halata to.
Almost there.
Masyadong halata sa Caleb.
You didn't see this.
Yeah, I saw. Ay, wow! Wow.
Muhammad. Dubai is better than Israel.